Hey guys, Digital David here. Today I'm excited to be unboxing and reviewing for you all an expandable garden hose by Dripex. The link is in my video description below. Go ahead, check it out, take it right to Amazon. You can see the product for yourself and hopefully order it if you're happy with how you see it in this video. They did send me this to review on my channel, but any opinion expressed in this video is truly my own. I just want to create value for you guys so you can see this stuff firsthand and make your own decisions. So that being said, here's how it comes. Shipped to you from Amazon. Mine was in a bigger cardboard box, and then inside that box was this bag. You can see there's one barcode that marks what the product is. And without anything else to say, let's go ahead and open it up. Got the box opened up, and now we have a nice drawstring bag right here with their branding on it, which is pretty cool. You can see that right there. Dripex. Now for the hose itself, looks really cool. So what's really exciting and really nice to them, you have a couple of different things. You have a mounting hook you can set right on your faucet outside and then wrap the hose around, which is cool. They give you a nice hose spray nozzle right here. It's got 8 different functions: mist, center, flat, cone, soaker, full, angle, shower, back to mist. So that's really cool. Can lock that in place, that sort of thing. So really nice that they give you this. Can't have too many of those. Here we have an adapter of some sort if you would need it, depending on your situation and what you may have to connect to. So that's nice that they just think of everything and have that. Then the hose, it's one more adapter right there too, which is nice. There you go. Great seals on the inside to prevent any sort of dripping, a nice O-ring. So keep those in case you need them, depending on your setup and situation. First thoughts, this is really cool. I think I was expecting it to be, I don't know what I was expecting, but I didn't know it was going to be fabrics. This is really neat. It is really stretchy, as you can see. So this will be fun to put water in and see how it responds. I believe it's about 37 feet as is, and it'll expand up to 100 feet when connected outside. So this is really cool, really excited. You got 2 ends right here, these brass fittings are really nice. And we'll go ahead in a second. We'll go set this up outside and see how we like it and how long it is and that sort of thing. So it looks really cool, really simple, straightforward. The fabric's nice. It's a lot of hose already, but you can tell how nice and portable it is. Look at how shrunk it is. I have almost 40 feet of hose right here, and it's just kept nicely on this table, and it can go up to 100 feet. So really cool. And we'll go outside now, we'll connect it and see how we like it. So I have everything attached and just wanted to show you the hose really quick. It stretches about that 40 feet straight to that corner. And you can see how it's pretty tight, not a lot of slack in it. Now we'll go ahead, we'll turn the water on and see how the hose changes. You can see it's like a snake. It's really spooky. As the water pressure increases in there, it continues to expand. It's really cool. So that makeshift adapter that I found in my garage from another hose is still leaking. So that's no fault of their product. I just don't have the right adapter to attach it. But it's a great nozzle. Again, that leak is just because I found an adapter to try to make this work with my setup. So it's still leaking there. Again, no fault of their product. That's just this black adapter that was not included that I needed to try to use for my setup. So that's leaking, but you can see now how long the hose is. So definitely could be 100 feet. It's probably about tripled in size. So now you can see I can go way past where it originally was, where it ran out. So that's really, really cool. So this is an awesome hose, super long. It's gonna replace this hose that I have. It's just, I mean, just look at the difference between how easy and compact that is versus this hose that I can't even really untangle right now. And another cool feature I really like is the reverse effect. So when I turn the water off, and I'll go back to the nozzle, even though it's dripping. And now when I start discharging the hose, watch it shrink. So you can see the hose, see the snakes moving. It's starting to shrink back to its original size, which is really, really cool. So you can see, look at how slim and small it's getting again. We're almost back to the original size. So you can even see it's shrinking right there, which is so cool. What an awesome hose. Really impressed with it. I just got to go make sure I have the right adapter. So that's my only thought. Make sure you have the right setup to support this hose. If you don't buy plastic pieces like that came in my other hose adapter. Get the nice brass ones online to make sure it can work with your nozzle. But really a cool hose, definitely a big believer in it. Follow their instructions too for winter and summer storage and use, and you'll be really happy. So now for a little bit of bonus content, there's my puppy Doug. He's in the backyard playing right now. He's a good boy and really love having him. Doug, say hi. Say hi. Good boy. Say bye. Hey guys, want to do a quick follow-up and let you know, after I finished recording the review, I realized I just did not receive all the pieces in that kit. If you look at the Amazon image here, you'll see this on and off connector. That would be perfect for my hose adapter and would work for any sort of hose nozzle to attach. That piece did not come in the kit. Now what did come in the kit was this piece. So I'm not sure if this is a different product or different option you can buy. Obviously, I have no use for it to attach to what I received for my hose nozzle. But that being said, I just didn't have the correct piece. So if you order this on Amazon, you shouldn't have any issues and you'll be able to have the right piece to connect straight to the proper hose nozzle. And you won't even have to worry about buying anything else. It just wasn't included in the sample I had to review. So that being said, thanks for watching the video. Thanks for your patience as we figure all this stuff out. And I look forward to seeing you all in my next video. See ya.